Have you ever wondered how some people achieve greatness just by doing small things every single day? Today, I will tell you the story of Mike, a 17-year-old boy who changed his life by changing just one thing: consistency. Mike was 17 years old. He had big dreams. He wanted to do well in studies, excel in sports, and make his family proud. But there was one problem: Mike got excited very quickly, but just as quickly, he would give up. Whenever he watched a motivational video, he would say, "From tomorrow, I'll study 5 hours every day, go to the gym, and change everything." The first day, he worked hard. The second day, a little less. By the third day, he got tired, made excuses, and slipped back into old habits. Then he would feel disappointed. Maybe I'm just not capable. One day, he met his friend David. David was always calm. He woke up at the same time every day, did small tasks daily, and slowly kept improving. Surprised, Mike asked, "David, how do you keep working so hard? Where do you get new motivation every day? And why are you always happy?" David smiled and said, "I do something that most people don't even know about." Mike was curious. "What is it that you do?" David replied, "I don't depend on motivation. I believe in consistency." Mike asked, "Consistency? What's that?" David gave a simple example. Imagine placing a small pot under a dripping tap. If drops of water fall every day, one day the pot will be full. But if you pour a whole bucket in one day and then leave it empty for many days, the pot will never stay full. Motivation is like that bucket strong for a day. But consistency is like those small efforts every day that can change everything. That was the difference: motivation versus consistency. Motivation makes you give your best for a day. But consistency makes you grow every single day. In the end, consistency always wins. These words touched Mike's heart. He decided to take small steps every day. On the first day, he studied just half an hour. On the second day, the same. He made a calendar and marked every day. After 10 days, he looked back and realized he had worked consistently, and he felt proud. Months passed, and slowly consistency became his habit. Now, preparing for exams was easier. His grades improved. He also performed better in sports. One day, other students at school asked him, "Mike, how do you manage all this?" Mike smiled and said, "Motivation can get you started, but consistency will take you to your destination. If you keep doing small things every single day, one day great success will be yours." Lesson: this story teaches us that motivation is temporary. It only helps you start. Consistency is powerful. It creates big results through small daily actions. Success is not built in one day. It is built in everyday habits. So, from today, stop relying only on motivation. Believe in consistency, because motivation only inspires you, but consistency forces you to act. Start today, stay consistent, and keep moving forward. Backhand index pointing right. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe.